Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kids toy storage and organizers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tutors W0701 Springfield Collection Supersized. For this collection, it is extra large storage, easy to remove or insert without struggling. Sometime when pulling out, it will not come out immediately. Similarly, organizing it back took a long time to finish. That is the reason why, not just your kids but also you find it hard to tidy up the toy, therefore you only leave the toy all over the place. However, this product was made for the convenience to all family to collect and categorize the supplies neatly. The 16 plastic bins with extra large size so that there is no more worry for having not enough space. One last thing, it is also possible to store any other kinds of thing in your household. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tutors W0420 Discover Collection Supersized. Here, check out the Tutors Discover Collection Supersized. It is a BPA-free plastic storage organizer, with the 12 regular and 4 double-sized storage containers, that will allow you to cluster many things in one place. The construction is made out of engineered wood which prepared it easy for you to assemble, and it is guaranteed durable, therefore it can hold on to any kinds of stuff without you worrying about the collapse tendency. Any children would find the various colors of the containers amusing, as its purpose is to also help them remember and identify the differences of their toys with color organizations. At number 3, we have the Delta Children's Sesame Street Toy Storage Bin. This organizer is eye-catching to children because of its attractive pattern, Sesame Street, which is very popular amongst kids. If parents bought their kids' stuff with their favorite character on it, they would definitely love it and keep on roaming around. Thus, it is the right time to teach them to take care of their toy inside it. The product includes 6 storages in different sizes to make it convenient to fit in any size of the toys. Additionally, its wooden frame keeps the product sturdy and able to support sufficient weight. There is no more worry about an accidental injury while toddlers open and close the closed door, and hurt their tiny fingers, since the product is just a kind of open storages. With this high-quality product, it can be used for multi-purposes, such as storing toys, shoes, clothes or other kids' accessories. At number 2, we have the Delta Children Toy Storage Bin, Best Kids Toy Storage and Organizers. This organizer can be easily noticed by children because of its attractive pattern, the Sesame Street, which is very popular amongst kids. If parents bought their kids' stuff with their favorite character on it, they would definitely love it and keep on roaming around. Thus, it is the right time to teach them to take care of their toy inside it. The product includes 6 storages in different sizes to make it convenient to fit in any size of the toys. Additionally, its wooden frame keeps the product sturdy and able to support sufficient weight. And finally at number 1, we have the Delta Children Multi-Bin Toy Organizer, Best Kids Toy Storage and Organizers. Delta Children, the Disney Princess Edition, includes diverse characters for the customer's desire. With all the different characters on the cover of storage, it can match well with a group of girls from 3 to 6 years old. More than that, the customer can add and decorate more furniture to match for a set of cartoon character in a room. The solid and engineer wood are used to create these bins along with the fabrics. This contains 6 fabric bins to store in all kind of sizes. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.